This video builds on the theory explained in the video E-Assessments Overview and Benefits and the video E-Assessments Summative and Formative. In this video, the process of implementing an E-Assessment is shown. It is very important for the implementation of an E-Assessment that the university offers the necessary requirements. An important aspect is the legality of E-Assessments. The university has to clarify to which extent they allow E-Assessments. Apart from this, you need the technical equipment. The infrastructure, such as hardware and software, are a critical requirement to successfully implement an E-Assessment into the curriculum. Depending on the type of the assessment, summative or formative, the assessment is carried out solely online or in parts also in a classroom. Formative assessments can take place anywhere and do not depend on a specific place or time. Summative assessments, on the other hand, because they are an official exam, usually take place in classrooms equipped with computers. If these requirements are fulfilled, the E-Assessment can be carried out. In the first step, the knowledge before starting the assessment has to be tested, so improvements can be tracked. The second step usually is built with formative assessments. The E-Assessments need to be integrated into the normal curriculum. Therefore, the goals of an assessment need to be defined with learning objectives. The taxonomy of Anderson and Krathwohl is a good tool to include precise learning objectives. They can be useful in the process of developing the assessment and later serve as a guideline for the students so they will know what is expected of them. The formative assessment can be implemented through Moodle with the concept of the flipped classroom, which we introduced in the video before. Classes with the concept of the flipped classroom offer the subject matter in self-study in the traditionally attended class. Only questions are answered. Formative assessments give students a chance to get feedback during the course of the class. Formative assessments can be used during the semester for the self-study of the content of the class. On the other hand, it can also be used for the level tests during the semester. Because the students have to solve exams on a regular basis, they have to keep up with the class and cannot study last minute. The class can be set up in a way where the formative exams and summative exams are part of the final grade. The summative assessment can be implemented with an exam in the end of the semester, which is part of the final exam. The result of the exam can be used to compare it with the result of the knowledge in the beginning of the class, to track the improvement. These are the steps which are necessary for an E-Assessment.